Welcome to lesson 2, identifying notes and their sounds. Of course, we have learned to identify our C's and F's. How about the other notes? We must, as a matter of necessity, learn to recognize all the notes on the keyboard without mixing them up. To make this easier, we'll be assigning numbers to each note in the C major scale as they are arranged on the keyboard. We have C, F, G, A, B, and then C. So C becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to 1. C is the first degree note, and the other notes follow consecutively until it gets to the next C, which is an octave higher than the first C. An octave is an interval of 12 semitones or half steps, spanning 8 degrees of the diatonic scale. Now, intervals within a major scale are referred to as diatonic. Take your time to know the position of these 7 notes, and then replacing the natural notes with the solfege syllables, the solfa notes, will have do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So instead of naming them according to the letters C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C, the solfege system is designed to enable you to sound the notes. Do, instead of saying C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, so you call it do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Alright, now we can divide the keyboard into 2 segments so that we can easily identify the notes. One segment with 2 black keys and the other segment with 3 black keys, for us to be able to easily identify the notes by virtue of their positions. We have this group from the C to E as one group, and then the F to B as another group. So if you are asked to identify a note, or if you want to identify a note, let's say D for example, you should know that D belongs to the first group and it's the middle note between the C and E. So, and then you should know that G belongs to the second group in between F and A. So with this grouping, you can easily identify your notes. Now, study the positions of each note and memorize it. To recognize the note, you need to first know the segment the note falls on and the position of the note in that segment. So for us to know how these notes sound individually, we'll play the notes at random and observe how they sound differently when not played successively. We've been playing the notes in succession like this, so you have to play the notes separately, randomly, just to observe how each note sound. Now I'll be playing some notes now, and you will not be seeing the notes, but you will hear them. Try to guess the correct solfa notes that I am playing. I'll start on the key note C as do. So whenever I play notes, try and get the right sound. Do. So I'll play another note. If you got the notes, congratulations. The notes that I played were do, mi, sol, re, fa, mi, la, ti, do. So if you got the notes, congratulations, and if you didn't, keep working on identifying the notes by their sounds. You can employ someone to play the notes at random for you so that you can guess correctly the notes that the person is playing. So with this, we've come to the end of lesson 2. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.